Hey guys, welcome to the channel. I have here another light from ThruNite. They actually sent me one here a while back. It was actually a gun mount light, which my gun doesn't have a mount for a light, but it's actually a super good light, and I keep it in my bike. This may be a better option because this is a bigger light, should be a brighter light, and it's not actually made to go on a gun. We're going to take it out of the box. I haven't looked at it yet, so I don't know anything about it, but we're going to find out together. Now, one thing about this light is, if you purchase one of these lights and you contact them by email, I'll put it below, they'll send you one of these cool little lights that goes on your key ring. And this thing is actually extremely bright for such a tiny light. When I first seen it, I thought, what in the world? But man, I'm telling you, you just turn it here and it is bright. For such a tiny little light, it takes one AAA battery. It's unthreaded here, and AAA battery, and you just loosen it like that or tighten the end to make it come on. TI2 is what this thing is, so real tiny. Now we'll open up this light here. A lot bigger light. Now this light is actually rechargeable, so really cool. It has a place where you can plug in a USB cable right here, and of course it comes with the USB cable. Let's zoom the camera in so we can actually see, you guys can see the light a lot better. So this light is actually the ThruNite BSS V4, and this light should be extremely bright compared to the small little light. But so it goes low, you press it and hold it, it goes brighter. Looks like there's three stages. There's bright, dim, middle, bright. And on bright, it is extremely bright. We're going to take it outside and test this thing out. It's made out of aluminum housing. It also has a quick on button, which you just push this button here on the end. Some people like to hold them like this, and you can push this button and turn it on, which is really cool if you don't want to use this click button. Even if you're on the light is on and on dim, you want to turn it quickly to bright, just push this button right here, comes on. Let's take a look at this instruction sheet. Zoom up closer where you can see this light. Okay, first I'll show you this tiny little light that comes. What you do is, like I said, you just show them a receipt where you purchased one. You email this email below, and they'll send you one of these for free. How cool is that? So this is the ThruNite instruction sheet for this light. And let's see what else we have in here. It comes with a belt clip. If you choose to use it with a belt clip, which is actually a good idea, that's probably what I will do. Snap it on like that, and it's a really good belt clip too. Nice and tight. And here it looks like it comes with an extra button for the end, just in case you tear that button up. Has a replacement button there, which is just the rubber grommet that goes in, not actually the switch itself. And then it has a little, I guess you would call that a lanyard. Oh, it also has a extra plug for the USB. So that extra cap, in case this USB cap, you lose it or tear it up or something, you have an extra one of them. That's really nice, thoughtful. And we have some extra O-rings, the O-rings that go in here to keep this thing waterproof. A couple extra O-rings for replacement. It's nice that they send these replacement parts and you don't have to order them if you need them. You just got them, it comes with it. And we also have, it looks like another lens, which is a filter of some kind. And we come with a nice little sheath to hold it in. So it fits good, Velcro's down. And it also has a strap to go over your belt, or a hook here to hang it on. And of course, like always, it comes with a USB cable, which is micro USB and USB on this end. So you could use any cable, plug this into pretty much any USB to charge this thing up. Real easy to do. Pull this little cap back right here and plug in the USB, like so, to charge it up. Okay, the instruction here is actually in different languages, but I can tell you a couple things about it. This housing is made out of aluminum alloy, a black anodized finish on it. The dimensions is 146.5 millimeter by 28 millimeter, and the weight is 91 grams. So this has different modes here. One of them is Firefly, which is the real low. It's 0.54 lumens and lasts 56 days. Low power is 33 lumens, and it should last 55 hours. The medium power is 350 lumens and should last 4.5 hours. The high power is 1426 lumens. It should last 130 seconds. Turbo is 2,523 lumens and should last 125 seconds. Strobe lumens is 1,200 and should last 210 minutes on strobe. Impact resistance 1.5 meter and waterproof is IPX8 2M. To get to Firefly, you hold this button down and now you're in Firefly mode, which is really dim. But hey, out at night, you might be surprised how much light you would have and for a very long time on Firefly. Alright, so let's take this thing out at nighttime and try it out. It's dark outside. We're going to see what this thing looks like. And while we're at it, we'll take this little handy dandy keychain light out and test it too. So here we are on low. If I hold this down, we'll cycle through the 3 stages of brightness. There's medium, there's high, back to low. So when we're on low, it's pretty good. You can actually see to walk around and shed a little light. It's not super bright. When we go to medium, and it changes the whole thing, so it's actually pretty bright. You can see that little windmill there. I don't know if you can see the building over there. There's a light on the back side of the building. Go over here on the hillside, nice and bright, up toward the house. Really bright, not the brightest light I've ever seen. Then we hold it down. Here is on the brightest of all. You can see the building over there now. It's a whole lot brighter. And light up that bush. So big difference on, I guess that'd be level number 3, the highest power. Real big difference. Look at that tree there. So I can light it up out here and see quite a ways. I can see up here on the hill, see them trees up here. Looks real good. Nice light. So see here, you can see that I'm pushing the button on the back, and that's what it does. It turns it on to max brightness. Just want a quick shot of the full brightness, like that. Or if we take this button, the top button here, and hold it down for a few seconds, it actually comes on Firefly, and hopefully you can see it looks bright there, but that's actually extremely dim. I don't even know if you can see the ground. Get down here low enough, maybe, yeah. Down here on the grass. That dude is really, that's just some weeds right there. Really dim, but in actual total darkness, or a person in a cave or something like that, this would be actually plenty of light to see by, even on that, it's called Firefly. It's really, really dim, but your battery will last unreal amount of time, how long your battery will last on that. So man, when you put that dude on full brightness, now you got a light. Look at this. Out through here, there's across the road over by the mailbox. See it lighting up the bugs in the air. I mean, that thing is super bright. Nice. I like this light a lot. Perfect size too, because this light, you know, it has the belt clip and the USB rechargeable. You take it and just throw it in your pocket, and you can carry it around, and it's a lot better than a lot of big lights that you buy. Look at over there. Across the road, see them hay bales over there. This dude lights it up. Very cool light. Okay guys, now this, believe it or not, I don't know if you can see it in the shadow kind of here. This is the little freebie keychain light. But look at that thing. Now it's not near as bright, of course, as the other one, but it's not bad at all. I mean, it's better than the Firefly on the other one for sure, better than low power on the other one. Probably, it's close to low power, medium. Of course, it takes one little AAA. It's not rechargeable, but hey, for a keychain or something to throw in your pocket all the time, pretty darn cool. I like it. Alright guys, check it out. I really like these. That's the ThruNite BSS V4, the big one. Then the little keychain light, of course, is the ThruNite TI2, the little green one. But they're really cool lights. Super cool, compact, nice belt clip. USB rechargeable on this one. This in here, of course, I said it has a one single AAA battery, but very cool deal for the price. Check them out below. I'll post all this information you need. Thank you all for watching. Catch you in the next one. Right on.